up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about, are hearing aids worth it? So I've had hearing aids since I was 10. I was born deaf, and I grew up hard of hearing, and I was immersed in the world of hearing aids for a long time. And then when I kind of got into high school, college, I stopped wearing them. So because I was hard of hearing, I always had I could hear it sometimes, I couldn't. It was really fluctuating. And hearing aids, what people don't understand is that they amplify everything. So, like if I want to have a conversation with someone, they can amplify the refrigerator if it's on. They amplify like if the laundry's going on, if something's going on outside. Your brain turns that off, but hearing aids amplify everything. And I played sports and I sweat, and my hearing aids would die because of the sweat.